Hello everyone, today I've got another Intermountain sd40-2 and it has ditchlight problems also. This one's problems is one of the ditchlight is working but the other one is not. However, it looks like it's almost brand new. So I'm gonna see if I can't help it a little bit without messing it up any further. Let's put it on the track and see how it runs. So it's got just one ditch light working, which doesn't really look that cool really. To remove the shell, I use the box method, which is for Intermountain I found works very nice, like it was meant to be. Well, there's your problem right there. There's one little light piping or optic cable that goes to, this would be the left one, but the right one has nothing. The part is no longer there. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do about this, but I'm going to try and come up with a plan. So I'm going to remove the coupler just so I can have a better look at what's going on. They do spend a lot of time on extra detail. The other engine had a snowplow and this one does not. You can see these fancy little plugs, actually actual ditch lights, instead of having the light come on like some Kato engines. So for sure I want to preserve that detail. So what I'm going to probably end up doing is I'll come out from that side and I'll put LEDs on that side. Here's what I figured out so far. I can come in and push the light bar just a little bit, and that allows me to pull it out from this side. Now I can make it the length that I want and put it back. So that will help me preserve that detail. And I did the exact same thing on the other side. I just got to put my LEDs in there. There's actually a little bit of room in here, so I'm going to come in with my Dremel, maybe enlarge the hole a little bit, so there's enough space for my LEDs. Just making sure that my LEDs are working. So far, so good. I'm going to have to shorten the piping a little bit, but this is going to look fine. I'm going to glue my two LEDs in place, and this time I'm going to put the resistors up here in the cab so they'll be out of the way. I've got everything neatly tucked away under there. There's my two resistors. I wired them in series so that would simplify my wiring. Now I only have a red and a black leading out. So that's coming together nicely. I'm gonna have the wires tucked away like this and then hook up to the printed circuit board over here so I can have them a little bit longer this time. Soldering it to the board was easy, and then everything packs neatly in there. Look at that thing, a beauty. Now I've got to put my little fiber optics or lead pipes, and then I'm done. So check it out, it's working. Just like brand new from the factory. I'm not gluing the little ditch lights here, I'm not gluing them. because I don't want to put any glue splotches on there. So I put that coupler back on and we're good to go. And now it's time to run some trains. Although it's not quite as bright as putting the LEDs outside, I'm glad I was able to retain all the details from Intermountain. Hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.